it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. How do you get dressed with ease? I'm a closet coach, and this is what I teach. One thing that will help you to get dressed with ease is just to decide powerfully. Really, it's all about making a series of decisions based on what you truly love. And it really is just a process of getting to know yourself and your preferences, and then using a little bit of restraint. So, choosing powerfully once makes the decision process so easy to get dressed every day. So instead of walking into a closet full of all of the choices, you walk into a closet that's been curated, that has been thoughtfully curated, which makes getting dressed so easy. So it really is a series of powerful decisions, and this is another part of the process that I teach in the 30-day wardrobe challenge. I am a closet coach. I help women to get dressed with ease. Like, let's get rid of the drama and the frustration and the angst and just get dressed with ease, because here's the thing, you have to get dressed every day, sometimes multiple times a day. You might as well enjoy it. I hope this helps. Just thinking about what decision could you make today powerfully that would make getting dressed easy. Let me just share one with you. About 8 years ago, I decided to only wear pearl earrings. And that one decision has probably saved me multiple hours over these 8 years. The decision is made. There's no thought about it. There's no spinning and indecision. There's no vacillating between this choice and that choice. That choice may not be for you, but you could maybe think, what choice could I make that would powerfully save me hours over years? Have so much fun using your imagination. Have a great night. Bye.